Oh, excuse my charisma, vodka with a spritzer.
What's happening, y'all? It's your girl Charisma coming at you with a whole nother recipe, okay? Today we're doing ribs. We making ribs today, y'all. I can't wait. We ain't got no grill. But we got an oven, okay? They're gonna come out just as juicy, just as tender, just as far off the bonish, like the ones you do on the grill, okay? I'm not gonna bring in your auntie, your grandma, your mama. I'm not gonna bring them in this time, okay? But it's gonna make you wanna slap your daddy, your uncle, your granddad, anybody that be on the grill with them sandals on their ashy toes, okay? It's gonna make you wanna slap all of them, alright? So if you wanna see how I make these ribs, see how I make this barbecue sauce from scratch, because you already know I'm making it from scratch, keep watching, okay? Alright, y'all. So I got everything ready for my marinade. Only thing I did to the ribs so far, I took the membrane off the back, and then I cut whatever fat that I wanted to take off, I cut that off. Now for the marinade, okay? In this bowl right here, I got 3 cups of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of Worcestershire. I still don't know if I said that right, but half a cup of that stuff, okay? I got a cup of brown sugar. I like garlic, okay? So I got a tablespoon of minced garlic. I got half a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder. I like garlic like a shit. And then we got 2 tablespoons, you can just use your favorite seasoning salt. I just use 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. And then I got half a tablespoon of ginger powder. Ginger powder? Ground ginger? Ground ginger, yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the seasonings in with the liquid, okay? Just go ahead and there you go. Go ahead and mix that up real quick. I make everything spicy. So I'm not gonna make this real spicy. But I like my ribs to be kind of like sweet and tangy. So this is gonna have like a citrus-y afternoon. You gonna go ahead and squeeze a whole half. Go ahead and squeeze a half of orange in with your marinade, okay? After you squeeze it, go ahead. You can try to slice it up. I wouldn't do that. And I ain't got my glasses on. Oh my god. Hey, we did it. Alright. Go ahead, just lay those slices up in there. Go ahead, do like that. Like that. Ooh, not that one. Okay, not that one. Now we can go ahead and just pour the marinade over this. Make sure they submerge as much as possible though. Y'all, I can't see. Oh my god. I got a minced garlic in there. So go ahead, just like that. You don't want to leave none of these flavors behind, dog. Like, you can't do that. That's not. Alright, so you got everything mixed in there. All you gotta do now is just let this marinate. You can let it marinate however long you want to. It's like 3 in the morning over here right now. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it sit for the rest of the night. And then y'all gonna see me tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna look cute. I promise. Hey, we back, okay? So our ribs are marinated, okay? I put my ribs in overnight. So now I'm about to just pop these in the oven. I'm gonna pour some of this out, of course, just to marinate. So before I put these in the oven, I'm gonna pour this stuff out. I strained off the marinade. I didn't strain off all of it. I left like half a cup of the marinade in the bottom of the pan. When you wrap this up tightly, you need some steam trapped in it so it can make the ribs real tender, okay? And then all I did after that was sprinkle some of this Samara. It's like a citrus and spice combination. And you know, I want this to be kind of tangy, you know. I want it to have that when you get that barbecue sauce. But okay, so I want this to be kind of tangy and sweet, okay? So that's all that is for that. Wrap this up tightly, put it in the oven, make sure you preheat your oven 375. I should have said that before everything else. Preheat your oven 375, okay? Pretend like I said that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I wish I was more graceful. You know, I'm just so clumsy. It is what it is. Okay, so my ribs is in the oven. The oven on 375. I'm gonna let them cook for 6 hours, but 2 hours go. When the first 2 hours that go by, I'm gonna come and check them, make sure the little bit of marinade that we left in the pan ain't evaporated. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and start the barbecue sauce. Okay? Y'all, time to get on this barbecue sauce. Okay, so first in this pot, I got half a cup of apple cider vinegar. I got 2 cups of water. For the dry ingredients, similar to what we used to season the ribs, I got a cup of brown sugar. I got a tablespoon, my bad. I got a tablespoon and a half of that salmon rub that I showed y'all earlier. I got 2 tablespoons of whatever seasoning salt you want to use. I just used some Creole seasoning. And then I got half a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of onion powder. Okay? Oh, my bad. And 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. Now, I'm just gonna use some tomato sauce. This is 28 ounce. This is a 28 ounce can. Go ahead, pour half your can in, however much you want to do it. So you got that mixed in with your water and vinegar. You can go ahead and add in your seasoning mix. I'm getting contact Thursday. Y'all ain't gotta see me get all up in the food, but I'm gonna have to do it right now. Mix that up. Obviously, you know, taste it to your liking, because what I like might be too much or not enough for you. So make sure you taste this stuff as you go. So go ahead, add a cup of molasses. Put however much honey you want to, if you want to. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Okay. So go ahead, zest you with orange. If you never zested something, when you start to see like the white part of it, you can stop, because we don't need all that. This ain't doing nothing. Come on, pressure. I just don't want to. Okay, alright, gotta work at it. I finished getting my orange peeling. That's a tablespoon. After I grated that, I ended up cutting the orange in half, so we're gonna use half of an orange juice. Alright, so go ahead, squeeze in the half orange. Okay. This is like it's about to be like this part. This is right up my alley. That in, go ahead, scrape in your tablespoon of zest. It's a lot of zest. Alright, mix these ingredients in one more time. So at first you put in honey mustard. That's cool. I'm going to put regular mustard in. And I'm putting a few splashes of apple cider. Alright y'all, so right after I added them extra tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, my phone shut off because it got too hot. So after that, all I did was put it on the stove. I let it simmer for about 30 minutes on 5. Okay, that's all you gotta do after that, okay? So now that that's done, I had my ribs in the oven. They've been in the oven for about 4 hours now. Yep, they've been in there for 4 hours now. I was gonna do 6 hours originally, but I don't need to do 6 because marinating them in vinegar and all that, like, get the meat so soft, like, you don't even need 6 hours. I had the ribs in the oven on 375 for 3.5 hours. The last 30 minutes, I turned it on to 400. I put it on to 400 degrees, and I took the aluminum foil off. I just wanted the top to get a little dark and crispy-ish, okay? I don't like soggy ribs. So now all we gotta do is put the sauce on these babies. So the way I like to do it, I put like one layer of barbecue sauce, put it in the oven, 400 degrees. With the aluminum foil still off, and then I bake that for like 15 minutes. Take it back out, put another little layer on top. All right, so that's my first layer. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven. I'm gonna come back when the first time is done. All right. So I said 15 minutes at first. Just do 10. But that's my first layer. Okay, gonna do a few more. Alright, so that's my second layer. Gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, okay? It's still on 400. Still in the aluminum foil off, alright? We're just gonna do 5 minutes this time, okay? We almost done. Hey! I got barbecue sauce on me. I don't care. Because you know what? You already know what time it is, okay? Time for these final shots, okay? Oh, I cannot. Oh, I can't wait till I'm done recording. All right, that was a little too much. But look at these final shots, though. Oh, I done forgot I was recording for a little bit, you know? Y'all, these came out good, okay? I had to run them over to some coworkers, okay? They loved them, all right? So I think y'all gonna love them too. I hope y'all enjoyed the final shots. I just wanted to show y'all how fall off the bony they was, okay? Oh, y'all gotta try these ribs. When you try them, tell me if you like them. Tell me if they came out good. Just let me know. Don't spit and stuff. I gotta go, okay? Y'all already know, like, share, subscribe, okay? I gotta go. I gotta get out. I gotta go. Bye, y'all.